how to fix the problem like 404 not found error on Google Chrome. So if you want to fix the problem which is 404 not found error on your Google Chrome, then first you need to open up your Chrome browser. After that, go with the three dots which will be in the top right. Now from here you need to tap on delete browsing data, and then you can go and select last 15 minutes or last from which time you're facing the problem. Like if you're facing the problem since last 24 hours, you can go with the 24 hours, or last week or last 7 days, and after that go with delete data which will be in the bottom, and then tap on confirm. Once you've successfully deleted the browsing data, now you can go back and then open the settings on your device. From here you need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to go with apps option and go with manage apps. Now you need to go with search and search for Chrome. After searching, tap on the Chrome application, and here you need to go with clear data which will be in the bottom, and then go with clear cache and tap on OK. Once you do that, you can go back and then restart your device, and it will fix the problem which is 404 not found error on your Google Chrome. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.